You've probably heard about all sorts of energy hacks, but this one is different. Let me tell you about something that completely changed my life, and my wife can't stop talking about it. It's called the salt trick. And it's not just another trend. It's a simple, natural method that's helping men everywhere reclaim their energy, strength, and vitality. For years, I felt like I was running on empty. No matter how much I slept or how well I ate, I was always tired. I tried energy drinks, expensive supplements, and even revamped my workout routine, but nothing gave me the lasting energy I needed to keep up with work, family, and life in general. Then I discovered the salt trick, and everything changed. Here's the thing. Modern life can throw your body out of balance. Stress, poor sleep, and even the foods we eat can drain your energy and leave you feeling sluggish. But the salt trick taps into your body's natural ability to restore balance and vitality without relying on synthetic boosters or quick fixes. Since I started using this method, the difference has been incredible. My wife keeps saying how much more energetic and focused I seem. I'm no longer dragging myself through the day or relying on that third cup of coffee just to stay awake. Even my workouts have improved. I feel stronger, more motivated, and ready to take on new challenges. The constant fatigue that used to weigh me down, it's gone. The most surprising part is how simple it is. No crazy diets, no expensive supplements, just a natural approach that works with your body to unlock its full potential. And while some people in the fitness and wellness world are already using this trick to stay at the top of their game, it's still a well-kept secret for most.